Today we are at Raymond Mhlaba Municipality. It's our local municipality here in Alice. We are conducting a special workshop for ward councillors today, and then tomorrow we'll be conducting another workshop for PR councillors. This is a special workshop that is sponsored by the University of Fort Hare, Institutional Advancement, and Fort Hare Solutions.
Fort Hare Solutions, we're a company that's owned by the University of Fort Hare. We were established in 2006. Our focus areas are human capital development, commercial research, and advisory services. So Fort Hare Solutions specializes in local government, training of local government officials, councillors, ward committee members. And what we've done today is we've put together a workshop for the ward councillors, focusing on the roles and responsibilities of the ward councillors and their ward committee members. In terms of the performance of local government, we are assisting in terms of them achieving their performance mandates. So this training that we deliver is to ensure that the municipalities are performing and delivering in terms of their mandates. Our focus will be on the councillors. We also focus on training of the officials of the municipalities in terms of the Municipal Finance Management Act. We have trained every municipality in the Eastern Cape on the Municipal Finance Management.
I think today's event was very important in terms of sharing experiences, sharing ideas amongst councillors, amongst those councillors who have been in the council for many years. How are they doing things in their own words, sharing them with the new councillors. I think everyone in the house gained a lot of knowledge from that. From the engagements of today, I would say the module on what committee roles. It's a module that should be done in most of the municipalities because we have identified a lot of gaps amongst the councillors on how they operate. And it's an opportunity for Fort Hare Solutions to engage on more municipalities so that this kind of a module can be done again and again to other municipalities as well. The goal would be a conducive working environment in the space of a ward between various stakeholders that are involved in the ward. They must understand each other, understand each one's role. The ward committees, as chairpersons of those ward committees, are the ones who must understand that and lead that community to better heights.
Most important is that from this workshop was just reviving and trying to bring back and give us the note that as a ward councillor or as a leader of a society, what needs to be done. And in a way is trying to revive us that as ward councillors or as leaders in Raymond Mhlaba Municipality, we've got a huge responsibility of trying to close the gap between us as leaders and the community at large in the Raymond Mhlaba Municipality and in our respective wards where we are leading the communities.
Training besifumana up from University of Fort Hare ndifumanisa ukuthi ibaluleke kakhulu because amaxesha amaninzi siye sifumane bonzima. Ufumanisa ukuthi izinto zibe complex xa uphaya egroundini. So ngoku apha ngofumana ulwazi apha bangela into bazibe simplified and ndafumanisa ukuthi into endizi-experienceayo zizinto ezi-experience nazo ezinye councillors ayikho unique into endidibana nayo and le session besikuyo yenze abantu abane-solutions indenze indicapacitatile for into kokuba ndikwazi ufacana nezinye challenges ndifike phaya ndibe yi-problem solver ndibe yi-troubleshooter ndikwazi uassista abantu ndikwazi nokunkqonkqoza kweminye iminyango for i-service delivery.